Hello, everybody. Welcome. We are so happy that you're here for another episode of Dustin and Michelle. And tonight we're going to be talking about some video game gems that are hiding in plain sight. And with this knowledge and a keyword, you're going to be able to spot these much easier. Now, before we get to that, you're probably wondering why my lovely fiance and partner in crime is not sitting right here next to me. It's because she has a well-deserved night off and is spending some time with her son at a couple of his basketball games. So I'm super excited that she's able to go and do that. And another super big shout out for my daughter. Oh my gosh, she is turning 18 today. She was born 18 years ago. She's an adult now. I'm so proud of the person that she's become, just a beautiful person. And I hope she's out there having an awesome birthday. I wish I could be there celebrating. Of course, we're halfway across the United States at this point. So happy birthday, Kaya. I love you so much. I just wish you the best, happy, healthy, fun adulthood ever. So love ya. All right, guys, so let's get into it. EA Sports games. Now, we see these video games in thrift stores, like an entire shelf is almost dedicated to these things, right? They all have white spines, and they're all like mostly like John Madden, football, or NHL 17 or something like that. Now, they're all sitting together probably because they've been sitting on the thrift store shelf for years now, and nobody wants them. They're fairly useless. They're outdated. Nobody wants to play Madden 19 when they can play Madden 25 with all the current teams and players and things like that. So these outdated ones just aren't worth a whole lot. But there are a few. There are a few that are worth picking up, and thrift stores are usually charging you about $4 or $5 for a video game. Most of these EA Sports ones, even if you got them for free, you might lose money trying to sell them, with shipping and stuff like that. So keep an eye out. Thank you, everybody, for joining us tonight. If you're here in the live show or checking out the replay, we have IU. Oh my gosh, our contest winner. We're so happy. Thank you so much for your continued support. We welcome you. And Blythe is here once again, one of our frequent followers. We're so happy that you're coming in to say hello with us. So let's get into this thing here. We're going to show you once again that from the, I guess you would say, almost unofficially official price guide, which is the the eBay sold comps. So right now we're going to check out that we're going to search EA Sports game, and we're going to see that there are 160 results right now available on eBay. And so we're going to scroll down quickly here and see how many have sold to give us a sell-through rate. Now, 160 compared to 30,000 that have sold, that's a little better than a 1 in 5 sell-through rate. So nothing crazy. Honestly, the ones you're going to see that have sold are very repeating, and it's most of the same ones here. But we're going to scroll and see what's going from high to low. Now, here's one that is sort of like a bonus BOLO. It's not necessarily, it's a sports game. It's under EA Sports. It's more of a fighting game. But this is Def Jam Fight for New York. This is whatever platform it's on, GameCube, PlayStation 2. This is worth some really good money. Now, this is a sealed one here. You're going for $1,000, guys, for GameCube. Now we have Xbox 360, FIFA Soccer 10, just the disc only. And I'm not sure why that went for $777, but it's showing that it did. Now, here's one NCAA football that went brand new. For $700. Now, we're going to check out some used comps here pretty soon to see what you're actually going to be able to find. But you're also going to see a lot of these same ones here. Now, we'll just kind of keep going down. We're going to see that we'll find quite a few more of these Def Jam Fight for New Yorks. Check out this one, though. Here's one that you might come across. And this one is Xbox 360. It's Madden 09, but it's a breast cancer awareness, the special edition. Now this one for $400. New. It says new other. I mean, that could be, just in really great shape. And I believe there's another. So here's another one for the Wii 09. They made the breast cancer editions for Wii. as well. And this one for about $300 too. So if you see that one, guys, that is awesome. And Michelle, honey, going through breast cancer once again. We all have our thoughts and prayers and good vibes going out for her for a good and speedy recovery. And you can see that, these sorts of special editions will go for quite a bit of money too. Now, we'll go up and we'll check out some different, a little more specific comps here. So we have some, let's see, we'll start off sort of small here. We're going to show one that I've actually sold before. Now, this is EA Sports NCAA Basketball 09. Now, this one right here, we'll see for Xbox 360 and PlayStation 3. And no matter which platform it's coming from, it's still gonna get $30, and that is exponentially more than you would get for Madden 09 or something like that, unless it was the breast cancer edition. So $30. This is going consistently for around that pre-owned $35 now. I mean, who would have thought? Honestly, I think it's because of the players that are in there in their college uniforms. That has to be it, right? So consistently, if you find this one, NCAA Basketball 09, you're going to get a good $25 for it. So pick that one up for $5. That's a no-brainer. And a lot of people have no idea. They see this white spined section of the video games in the thrift store, and they skip right past them, just like I did, until I stumbled across a few of these that are really going for good money. So let's check out another one. Now, this one is worth considerably more, and it is from a year later. Oh, we got some new people in here. Nostalgia Picker. Hello, Dustin in chat. What's up, man? Thanks you so much for stopping by. Let us know if you've found any of these types of video games. Don and my dad, Percy, always praying for Michelle. Thank you so much, guys, for joining us and sending good thoughts Michelle's way. And here's Michelle. Hi, babe. How are you, honey? I'm hoping you're enjoying your time with Jake. And my gosh, miss being there. Of course, we miss you here. I mean, it's so empty on this side of the screen here. And I miss all of your wonderful additions and comments. So next week, honey, I'm sure you'll be here, and we'll do the show together, of course. Michelle wants to thank everybody for stopping by, of course. And basketball games are great. Awesome. Good deal. Thanks, Michelle, for tuning in. And gosh, can't wait to see you next week. So let's go and check out some more comps here. Now, this one right here, again, was for a little bit more here. Now, this is also an NCAA basketball game. Now, this one is 10. So 1 year later, the new set of rookies or, whatever. But now this one right here, guys, this one is selling for $100. $109 used. Okay, we're checking the used here, only used. This one's saying new other, but I mean, sometimes people sell used stuff when they're in pristine shape. You can do that. Now, again, okay, so a little more reasonable. These are going to sell for about 88 here. Look at this, $79.99 free shipping, 80 plus shipping, 75 free shipping. Again, whether it's for the PlayStation 3 or the Xbox 360, this NCAA basketball 10 is going for around $75. Oh my gosh, guys, pretty sweet. Look, here's somebody that bundled up a couple of them here and probably took a hit. They could have gotten more for just selling this one singly on its own, of course. And we're seeing this is consistently selling, guys. This is no joke. July 11th, July 27th, June 29th, June 25th. Look at all of these comps. So this is seriously legit. This is one that if you're scanning here. Here's a picture of what those rows look like. They're all white spine for the most part. Some of these darker ones are like MLB The Show kind of things or whatever. But you'll see this row here. I'm looking at this middle photo here of video games that all have white spines, and we always skip past them, right? Always. But there are a few, and maybe you're catching on to the keyword to look for here. And if you just scan for that keyword, you're more apt to find these ones. Now, so again, here, NCAA Basketball 10. is selling for around $75 consistently all day long. So if you find that one, hey, you're gonna going to be happy, that's for sure. Let's check out another one that's going for some big bucks. All right, we have now this one is a football game. This one is NCAA Football 14. Now look at this disc pre-owned. It doesn't even have the artwork. It's just the disc only. This is $109 when disc only, guys. For this, now the players that are in this or why this is so valuable, please, if you know, tell me. I want to know why this game is so valuable. This one right here, again, here it is. You're going to see this selling consistently for around this $92 right here, complete with the insert there. Here's another one, again, $80, $70 plus shipping. So, I mean, realistically, you're going to get at least $70 for this thing. And if it's in pristine shape, ask a little bit more. I think that's why they're going for more. So a good $70 again, disc only, doesn't even have the case or the artwork, and you're gonna be happy. Again, here's that one that somebody bundled here on the end here, and they sold both of these $70 games for only $70. I mean, they could have sold them both for 70 each. So again, guys, wow, another diamond in the rough, if you will. These things are hiding in plain sight. So I want to show you one more, because there is if you haven't figured out, the keyword is NCAA. So when you see that white row, scan for NCAA to find those that's the keyword to look for, NCAA. So you see the football one, and two of the basketball ones are really good, and you're going to also see let's see. Oh, we got to some. We're gonna do one more comp here that's not on NCAA. Nostalgia Pickers taking notes. Awesome. I hope you find like one of these. Like, seriously, it would make our day to hear that you found one of these one day. So please let us know in the comments if you've ever sold one of these, or if this helped you find one. We'd really want to know. I love your shirt, so thoughtful. Oh yes, I'm wearing my old school Jordan shirt here, in the sports theme, and you're at the basketball games and everything. So pretty sweet. Thanks, honey. Slow Hustle says, I have a ton of Wii games, and now that my daughter's older, we only really play Mario Party. Oh my gosh, I seriously need to go through them all. Yeah, do that. And thanks again, Slow Hustle, for all of the really awesome comments. So cool. And oh my gosh, my daughter and we played the Wii so much, in the past even like 5-6 years, we were playing that thing. Mario Party was one of our favorites. Of course, Mario Kart. And oh my gosh, we love playing those games, and Guitar Hero, of course. So awesome. Yeah, go through those games, see if there's any that are valuable. And Michelle says, Slow Hustle, get them for sure. Oh, hey, what is this? Oh my gosh, Michelle sent a $20 super chat to our channel. Oh my gosh, thank you, honey. Helping support our channel monetarily, sweetheart. What a wonderful thing to do. If you didn't know, thank you so much, honey, for doing that. It's always a nice surprise. And if you didn't also know, we are so close on our watch hours, guys. I wouldn't be surprised if this happened within a week or so, that we are going to hit 4,000 watch hours, and we're just grinding. And we're loving it. Michelle says, happy birthday, Kaya. Thanks, honey. Just looked for Madden, and we only have 07 through 13. Okay. Well, if the 09 is the breast cancer awareness edition, it's worth $300. Hard worker. Oh my gosh. Michelle, you're like the hardest working woman that I've ever met. Just amazing. We're an awesome team, that's for sure. Thanks again, oh my gosh, for the super chats and all the awesome comments. And again, let us know in the comments there if you've ever found one of these, or if this helped you find something. Now we're going to look again, one more football game. This is not an NCAA, which is the keyword. So we are going to look at Madden 17. Now here is an exception to one of the disc games that is worth something that's not NCAA, one of those three. Now this one right here is NFL 17 for Xbox 360. Now it's the platform that makes this one valuable here. This one, they're going brand new for 40 some bucks. Again, 40, and we'll actually see that pre-owned. Let's look at that too here. We're seeing also it's on PlayStation 3. Now, if it's on PlayStation 3 or Xbox 360, those are the ones to look out for, because those are a little less more likely to find. Maybe a little less people bought them because they were also, if you can see here, this Madden 17 is also available for Xbox One. So, like, at that point, most everybody had an Xbox One. So why would you buy it for Xbox 360? And, some people just, were diehard 360s, or they just couldn't afford the Xbox One. So they kept, buying games for 360 as long as they could. And so some of those are still floating out there. And that's why these are valuable. So again, Madden 17, you can find that one. Maybe let's search for used. We'll go used just to sort of get a better idea. From Canada, it's going for $20 plus shipping. For PlayStation 3, Madden NFL 17 is going for 26 free shipping. So that's worth picking up for $5, even at a thrift store. No problem. I would totally grab that. It's an easy $10 profit. Video games are not hard to list, store, and ship. Of course, you want to test them out, so you make sure they work and everything. So, but that's one of the things. Don says we are an amazing team. I would agree with you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Don. Thank you, Don and Dad. And Michelle says the same thing. Now, we hope you guys came away with something that you can go and make $100 with. I mean, again, these things are hiding in plain sight, and a lot of people don't know. So now that you know, you get to go. I'm actually excited to go into a thrift store and scan the white spined section of video games. Because I know to look for NCAA, and there's those few to look in that when you find them, score, jump for joy, take them home, test them, list them, and make $100. My gosh. Slow Hustle says, just watching your channel ideas. I'll never run out of things to sell. Thank you guys. Give Luna a kiss for me. Oh, we sure will. Thanks so much again, everybody, for joining in. And we're gonna see you next time, guys. We'll talk about something else that'll help you make some money. And we hope you have a great rest of your weekend. And once again, happy birthday, Kaya. 18th birthday. I love you so much. And I love you too, Michelle. We're going to see you next week. And we'll see you later, guys. Take care.